Hey guys, okay, so I don't usually get excited about cleaning stuff, but this kit genuinely changed how I feel about scrubbing my floors and bathroom. I'm talking one product that replaced like 4 different tools I had cluttering up my closet. And I'm actually extremely glad that this was gifted. You get a floor scrub brush, a no-wash dust mop head, 4 stainless steel extension poles that click together, 2 of those super soft microfiber drying towels, and then you get 2 crevice brushes. Everything arrived in one box, and yes, it actually are all useful, and it's just not for filler. Now, the floor scrub brush has a 180-degree rotating head with a V-shaped bristle and a squeegee built right in. So, I'm scrubbing grout lines, then flipping it to the squeegee to take all the water away in the same motion. There's no bending down, no kneeling. The handle extends about 4 feet. My back has literally never been happier during chore day. Now, there's a 360-degree snap grip mini mop. This thing is wild. What you actually do is you press the head down and it releases the cloth automatically. I've been using it on my shower glass, my car windshield, my tiled walls, and you can literally snap on a paper towel if you're actually in a rush. It gets into the corners I used to ignore. We've all done it, but not anymore. The crevice brush are small, but let me tell you, they're mighty and powerful. I went after my fridge door seal and the grout around my sink, and it pulled out stuff I didn't even know was in there. And the microfiber towels, scratch free, super absorbent. I've been using them for my car detailing too. So it has a dual purpose, and I love that. Assembly is completely tool free. Maybe it takes about 30 seconds or so. Everything breaks down and stores flat, which is huge. If you're in a small apartment like me, no more ladder to clean the top of the windows, no more kneeling on tiles. Honestly, this kit does what it says, and it does it well, and that's rare. I really hope this helps.